Guys, to tell you how to fix your limited originality of content issue on Facebook. So for you, it might show like this. So after doing all of this stuff, you have to go on business.facebook.com, like I'm going. And once you are there, oh wait, what? Let me close this. Okay, so once you are here, as you can see, you have your business site over here. So what you have to do to fix the issue is that you have to go to this Google Drive link that I'll be giving down in description. Download it. It'll take some time to download, and once it's downloaded, open the folder. And once you open the folder, extract it. Extract all and extract. Once it's extracted, what you have to do is that you have to go over here and click on extensions and manage extensions. And as in the last video I showed you, you have to click on the developer mode, and you have to drag and drop this file in the extensions folder. Once you drag and drop it over here, you have to go and open new tab, click on the extensions icon over here, click on it, and now you'll be here on the appeal page for your restricted monetization issue. So what you have to do is click on pages, and wait, I'll write my password down and I'll come back. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to go to your facebook.com. Once you are here, you have to go on your account, click on about section, and once you're here, for me it's not showing the page ID option like this, page transparency. So you have to click on that ID, copy it and paste it down over here. Once you have done that, you have to copy your name. For me it's Chris Vibes. Copy it and paste over here. And reason for an appeal is page does not violate Facebook community file policies. And the first one for the agree to Facebook content rules. So, and for the choose files one, I'll tell you this. You have to go to a business site, click on this three dot icon, click on the monetization issue. After, wait, yeah, click on monetization. And after clicking on it, see, for me, it's not monetized yet, so it's not showing, but for you, it will show. So once you're there, you have to click this snippet and attach the file over here. So yeah, that was the video, and this is how you can fix your monetization issue on your Facebook. And after submitting this appeal, it'll take you a bit of time, like 1 or 2 hours to fix the issue. And once it's done, your problem will be solved. And yeah, that was the video, and thanks for watching.